Does turning a burger into a wrap make it better? Let's find out. Hey Lemon Confam, today we have got a social media worthy recipe. We are making burger wraps. It's a fun, tasty take on a classic and I know you're gonna love it. So let's dive in. Start with the secret to any burger, the sauce. In a mixing bowl, combine mayonnaise, ketchup, onion powder, garlic powder, pickled jalapenos, white vinegar, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Give it a good mix and set it aside for later. Now let's move on to the patties. Most people go for beef, but we are switching it up with chicken. In a bowl, add minced chicken, finely chopped garlic, mustard paste, salt, black pepper, dried oregano, and 1 egg. Mix it all together and form balls, about 120 grams each. Before we assemble, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Time to cook. Drizzle some oil in a pan, place your chicken ball in and press it down with a spatula or any heavy object. We are using a grinding pestle. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. My kitchen is filled with such a tempting aroma right now. Now it's assembling time. Take your tortilla and line it up with cheese slices, some crisp lettuce, cabbage, juicy tomato slices, and a patty. We'll use a full patty, cut it in half to fit our D-shaped wrap perfectly. But feel free to wrap it in your own way. Pop them on a grill or grill pan to get that perfect golden crisp. Here they are, your burger wraps are ready. Let's check it out how it turns out. Is it better than a regular burger or not? Let us know what you think in the comments. It's so satisfying and absolutely delicious. You have to try this. I bet this recipe will be a hit with your family. If you love this recipe, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your support so much. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.